everyone, this is Ashwini. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good, right? And it's a really very short video to introduce about my channel very quickly. And later I'll show how I converted my mom's saree into a cute ruffle skirt. Okay, then without wasting time, let's get into the video. Okay guys, coming to my channel. On my channel I will be posting a lot of videos like fashion videos, handmade jewelries, handmade earrings, handmade scrunchies, handmade crafts, DIYs and simple hacks videos. And yeah, that's all about my channel. And this is my new first arrival designer ruffle skirt stitched from mom's saree. And yeah, it's really light to carry guys. And it's very easy to stitch as well. And in upcoming videos I will post how to stitch 4-layer ruffle skirt from saree very soon. And yeah, and you all know, right, anything is possible with sunshine and a little pink. Yeah. Pink ruffle skirt and short white cotton t-shirt, both are perfect combination for outing with friends and any other occasions. So you all must try this combination guys, and it's really good combination to carry. And if you love this combination, then please share your opinions with me in a comment section. And I really want to know how many people are loving this combination. Yeah. And I hope you all love this video. If you did, then please subscribe, like, share and comment for more lovable videos. Thank you for watching my video. Meet you soon in another video. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.